I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now select action. Academy LMS. Connect. Next. Choose an actions. Choose course. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Academy LMS dashboard and you can see here I have already enrolled 3 students in the courses. Now go to your other logged-in user. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Go to your course page and you can see that enrolled successfully here. Now go to your Academy LMS dashboard. And you can see that another student added to the enrolled course. Go to Student. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Academy LMS. Thanks for watching.